guitars with tremolos. This one is the noisiest. The springs are the noisiest. So what we're going to do today, find a way to quiet that down a little bit. So, I mean, I don't even have, when you have any kind of overdrive on, it really accentuates the feedback situation. I mean, in some regards it's probably okay. It gives you a little something extra as far as the sustain goes. But this is truly unpleasant. So we're going to find a way to quiet that down a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some shrink tubing. We're going to take, we're going to do one spring at a time. And we're only going to heat this up part way because we want to make sure it slides. So we're first going to cut them to the length we want. There we go. These are both about the same. Just bear in mind they're going to shrink a little bit. But all we're looking for is to deaden the sound of these a little bit. So we're just going to pull one off at a time. So here's our first one. We're just going to slide this over. Still a little on the long side, so we're going to trim it down a little bit. While we're at it, we know the other one's going to be long too. And the reason they're long now is because obviously the spring has no stretch on it. So we're just going to use a lighter, just kind of shrink it down a little bit. If it doesn't slide, you've gone too far. So now we're going to do the same thing to this one. It sure did quiet it down quite a bit. Just bear in mind, we're not looking to change the action on the spring. We're just looking to quiet it down a little bit. There we go, somewhere in the middle. So, notice, completely dead now. That really did the trick. We've deadened these a little bit. I want to put a little overdrive on there. Normally on this setting, there's a whole bunch of extra ring normally that I don't like. Where now I don't really have that. I hope you enjoyed and found this last video informative and useful. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.